same.
Welcome to Sebastian's food review. Today we're gonna be tasting predator hunting grounds. Alright, let's go. Alright, let's record this intro at about hours. So let's hope this actually goes good. If not, I'm just gonna not do anything and just sleep. Alright, we're gonna drop in, push it up. Sorry if I go silent. It's not like I've tried this many times and it failed horribly. Dude, whoever's shooting is retarded. And don't critique me of my gaming skills. I already know I suck. So let's play. Well, actually, I've been already playing. I'm fucking retarded. Just gonna go through cutting some. I freaking hate the shrubbery in this game. I can't see crap. Go sign for a bit. Start.
We're looking for pig carcasses. We need to confirm our suspicions that the gorillas are trapped.
Dude, he's already here. Oh, pig buddy.
It's coming this way.
Psh, you're not gonna sound the alarm. Deed. Go to the body, bruh. If the predator confronts us, dude's dead. We're at max HP. Gonna get fucked. Or if he's good enough, I'm deed.
Fucking disgusting. Voodoo won't check the butcher shed. That might
Frick.
shed some light on this.
Dude's nearby. Don't shoot the pig. Stop shooting the... What are you even shooting at? Why? Why is the floor bleeding?
Well, now the area knows we're here. Let's hope they don't find you.
Oh, they definitely know where we are. Nice shot at dead guy. Baby ears. Yeah, camp there, bitch. Be a little baby and camp there. Hope you freaking cry to your mom. That's what I'm gonna do right now, bitch. Alright. I hear you. Oh no, no, no. So much big feet. It's disgusting. Bah! Oh. Holy moly. What the f... Why did I become... Oh yeah, open the door.
Cover me, I got this.
Sounds like there's a surgeon sewing the drugs into the pigs.
What the frick?
Trying to home in on his location.
Oh, nice meat shield, bro. Oh my god, piss off! Where are you? Loud bastard!
Send it in back up.
Dude, can you guys piss off? Why is there no door?
There he is. Take the sick fuck out. Make sure to grab his keys.
Take him. No, 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 teammates, you freaking assholes! Stare at me, you cunt. Thank you, teammate. Freaking best teammate in the world, you fucking asshole. Alright, thank you. Finally. No, 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 no! No, 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 no. I'm gonna find a good guy who's good at the game. No, I'm not gonna find myself. Please, I have a family. I'm not even an adult yet. Please, I have 2 potatoes. They're pretty hot. Come on, come here, come here, come here.
I'm reading the flat.
I'll give you my wife.
Let's see what's in here.
I don't even have a wife. Come on, I'll give it to her. Thank you, teammates. Didn't even try. Predator gonna ground pound? I'll just stay still.
I'm reading the flat line. Keep it together, Voodoo.
Thanks for the content, freaking teammates. Hope when you have a YouTube channel, hope you have a stroke in the middle of a video. Fucking asshole. Yeah, get the healing. Slow bastard. I'll mark everything if I can mark. Ah, I pressed options. What a dumbass. my god, teammate. Fucking
Got some
slow
help
ass
for you, Voodoo.
retard.
Just make it to this location on your map.
Come on, come on, come on. Break that alarm. Oh no, he did. Who would hide drugs in a freaking pig? Teammate, he's clearly behind you. That bastard's behind you, and you just like walk by like a clueless bitch. Come on! You're freaking slower than Usain Bolt's disabled grandma. What? Stand still, yeah, perfect. Let's walk slowly so you can get ground pounded. Yeah, help her up, turn, fuck, predator. Don't stare at her. Oh yeah, look at that ass. Oh, she dead.
Hello? Voodoo! Can you hear me?
What an asshole.
Do you have platinum? You want to be part of my clan?
First video fucking sucks.